Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to plant a green stalk garden. First, unbox your green stalk and identify all its components, including the 5-tier system and the spinner base. Choose a flat, sunny location that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. This ensures optimal growth for most plants throughout the season. Now, let us prepare your planting layers. Assemble the base and the first tier of your green stalk, ensuring it is stable. Fill each tier with a high-quality, lightweight potting mix, leaving approximately 1 inch of space from the top. This ensures proper drainage and sufficient room for your plants to thrive, creating a healthy environment for roots. Next, it is time to plant your seedlings or sow seeds. Gently place your chosen plants into each individual pocket, making sure their root systems are fully covered by the potting mix. After planting, water your entire green stalk thoroughly from the top reservoir. This initial watering helps settle the soil and provides essential moisture to your new plants, encouraging a strong start. To keep your green stalk thriving, consistent care is key. Water your plants by filling the top reservoir daily or as needed, depending on local weather conditions and your specific plant varieties. Remember to apply a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks to nourish your growing plants. Rotating your green stalk ensures all sides receive adequate sunlight, promoting robust and even growth for your entire garden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.